Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable or turn off clipboard access on your Android smartphone device, whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel phone, doesn't really matter. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the setting gear button right here. And then you want to scroll down underneath where it says security and privacy and select that. And then you want to scroll down again underneath privacy and select the privacy controls tile. And then underneath controls where it says show clipboard access, if you want to disable that, go ahead and toggle that off by clicking inside the oval one time. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.